Yes, what's up traders, what's going on, how is the trading? Hope it's taking you well. This James from Africa is trading, and the reason as to why I've recorded this video is I wanted to show you this simple strategy that I'm currently using, and I'm increasing my account slowly by slowly. Just as you can look at my history, you see this was $5 account, and I've been trading it efficiently. You can see I have some losses, just this one here. Let me have some losses, that minus $1, 1.2, and minus 2.8. Then this minus 13 was actually used to, and another loss is this one, minus 2.58. But you can see we've actually been making profits. You see, profits just using this simple strategy. So it has come to my notice that people don't know how to use support and resistance very well and efficiently. That's why I've decided to record this video to show them how they can actually use support and resistance efficiently, and they come up with such wonderful results. So let me dive straight ahead to the chart. I want to show you how this is done. Okay, so when it makes sense for you, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. That way we can be notifying you wherever we post important contents, and you can be also commenting to our videos so that we can know what you really want us to make for you. Okay, let me dive to the chart, then I show you how we can use support and resistance key levels efficiently. Remember, not wherever price reaches support you must sell, and not like when a price reaches a key level you must enter a trade. It's not like that. You must know. So I'm gonna show you what exactly should you be watching out for wherever the price reaches key levels of support and resistance. Okay, tutor the actually traders, this is the trade I took. I caught this move. Let me show you. I caught this move. Let me show you. Excuse me. I caught this move and I entered the trade. This move actually, let me just use this as an example, because I entered this trade from somewhere here. Let me show you. I entered it from somewhere here around. No. Sorry, no, it's not this. Let me actually shift to boom. It was boom 1000. There's a trade I took that gave me almost $11. That was a bit late. Yeah, that's what I was meaning. You see, even my lines are still there. So let me show you how we use support and resistance efficiently using this example. Actually, it is also the same time the trade that I took. Let me first clear the chart, show you. Let me first clear the chart, then I show you. So when you're trading support and resistance, that is key levels, verified support and resistance. Remember, those things are different. There is what we call support and resistance, then verified support and resistance. The price moves to a certain point and it bounces off. That means that point is a region of support. Then when do we say it is a verified support? We need to let the market move again to that place for the second time. If it is again respected, then we say it is valid support, verified support and resistance. So let me show you. To trade simply support and resistance, what should you do is because I want to show you a series of trades that you can take using support and resistance, verified support and resistance, and you get the results the way I get them. Let me show you. So the first thing you should do is come to higher time frame 4H, mark out the recent supports, mark out the recent support and resistance, the key levels now, like that one and this one. Those are the most recent. Yeah, we know that if the price breaks the upper one, then it's an uptrend. Shall be looking for buys. When it breaks the down one, it will be a downtrend. Shall be looking for sales. Now I want to show you how to use support and resistance efficiently, verified support and resistance. So I'm assuming, let me show you, I'm assuming the price was initially here, it moved like this, then it was here where I'm pointing. I'll be waiting for the price either to break this one, this key level downwards, or to break this one upwards. Then I know it's an upper trend or a downtrend. So for our case, we saw that it broke from up. However, you don't have to wait until the breakout. Just wait until the price comes near this, then you lower down to your entry time frame. For this case, I'm gonna use M5. However, guys, for me personally, according to the research I've researched recently, M5 is good, but it gives you late entries, so I prefer using M1 for entering early into the market. I will show you. Let me first use M5 to enter, then I'll also show you where the entry would be in case I'd used M1. So I just wait for the price to come near this line, then I go to lower time frame. I wait for the price to cross that line, then creating key levels or coming back to retest this line. It will cross, but then when it crosses, I don't enter because it is a push phase. The market has pushed all the way from this way. Then that means it has to exhaust, it must come back. So if I enter here, you never know, it may start exhausting from here, retracing back from there. So I wait for retracement and key level. So breakout and retest. Let me go to M5 and I show you. So this is where most traders break out and retest traders get it wrong. This is where they miss on trading opportunities. You see, I want to correct this mistake that most traders make, which limit their profits. We see that this is the line the price broke. This is the line withdrawn for H. So breakout and retest traders would wait for the price to break, then it comes back to retest this key level. However, in most cases or sometimes the price doesn't come back to retest, and you find that those traders are just there waiting for the price to come back to retest, only to find that the price just continues up. So I want to give you a trick how you can enter this trade without waiting for a retest. Remember, you don't just enter when the market crosses. There the market might, you never know, it might retrace back to form a double top here and it will stop you out. Don't think whether you can be able to withstand all of this drawback. So when the price crosses above, wait for it to come and retest, but just know sometimes it doesn't retest. So if as you're waiting for the price to come back to retest, watch it. In case it forms key levels here, key levels are meaning verified support and resistance. In case it shows you that this area is verified support or resistance, enter from that area. What do we mean? Remember I told you the market, when the market comes to an area and it reacts to that area for the first time, that is a proof that there is support, but you don't enter. Wait for it to come there for the second time and still reacts. That's when you enter. That is verified support or resistance. Now let me show you. The market came up, started drawing down. When it reached here, it spiked. You see this spiked again, came back. See this kind of pin bar, it also spiked. Now this was showing you that this was a verified support. So for this case, you just wait for one. When you see that the market is struggling, you just wait for an engulfing candle, then you enter. You see, if it was me, the moment I would see the second spike, this one, I would just know this is a verified support, then you enter. You see, you'd have entered here and went all the way up, as the other traders are waiting for the price to come back to retest this level. For you would have entered in here. You put your stop loss a bit below this support. Assuming you missed here, again you have to wait to watch the market. It must again move as it was moving here. It reached here, came down, spiked back, reached here, came down, spiked back. See, again this red tick was trying to come down, again spiked. You'd have entered there straight away and you ride the market. Let me point here and I take you to M1 and you see. Here we are on M1, guys. M1 gives you more clear support and resistance, clear image, more clear image. So this was the breakout. See, price came here, spiked. That it was showing you that there is support in this area. Then when it came by the second time, again spiked. So it was verifying that is verified support here. So you do enter there straight away and put your stop loss below. So put your stop loss below and you would ride the market up. Ride the market all the way up. Assuming you missed this one, assuming you had missed that one, let me show you. Assuming you had missed that one, again you'd wait for the price to verify a certain area. Okay, so we missed that one. Now we see the price coming, going up, not verifying yet. You see, this area has been verified because price reached here, spiked, again it came back to this very zone here, again it spiked. You see, when you see this, you enter, because the first spike ended around here. You enter straight away, you catch this one here, put your stop loss below this and go for 1 2 3. You see, it is still going up. It's gonna go up. So that's how you can actually efficiently use support and resistance. That's the trade I caught actually. Let me show you. I entered into that trade. I came a bit late, so I entered here. Let me show you where I entered from. I entered because I missed this entry. So when I saw that the price was struggling to go below this area, and I saw this big spike, I was supposed to enter actually, because the price came like this, respected this price, went up again. When it came down to respected, that was enough confirmation for me to enter. So when I saw this, I entered straight away. So when I entered, I went for 1 to 2 because the market had already moved up. Then I stopped here. Then again I went out. Then when I saw that again it was respecting this area, I entered again. The moment I entered, I called that big spike. So guys, that's how you can use support and resistance efficiently, and you make yourself some good money. I've given you the contents that I always use to make all that much of money given to you for free. So what I would request in return is you go ahead and subscribe to this infant channel. Channel is called Africa's Trading, and I'm James. So I'm out of here waiting for your subscription. Have a nice time. Yeah.